These are the ingredients which we are going to use in the recipe for today. So here I am using Catla fish, that means Katla fish. You can use any other fish. Let's start making the recipe for today. First add chili powder, around 1 to 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder and some salt. Coat the fish pieces well, keep them aside till further usage. Now heat oil in a kadhai or wok or any vessel with heavy base. Once oil is heated, add the fish pieces, and I am doing it in batches of 2 or 3, and let them fry for 3 to 4 minutes and fry them from both sides. Once fried, take them out, leaving the oil behind. Keep them aside till further usage. Now in the same oil add fennel seeds followed by chopped onions and let them saute till they are light brown. Now add in ginger garlic paste, give it a good mix and let it saute till the raw smell goes away or around 40 seconds. Now add in tomatoes and let it cook for a minute. Now add on the spice powder, give it a good mix and let it saute for a couple of minutes or till the oil starts separating. Also add very little water. Now add grated coconut, again give it a mix and saute for a minute. Now switch off the flame and let it cool for a couple of minutes, and then take this into a grinder and add very little butter and grind into fine paste. Keep our paste aside till further usage. Heat oil in the same kadai. Once heated, add in mustard seeds and let them saute till they start crackling. Add in onions and curry leaves and green chili. Give it a mix and let it saute till they start turning brown. Now add our grinded paste into it. Add salt. Give it a mix. Cook for a few minutes or till oil starts separating. Let's cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add grated tomatoes and tamarind paste. Again give it a mix. Let it cook for a minute. Now add water. Mix it. Once the water is hot, gently add the fried fish pieces. Turn the flame to medium high and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now turn the flame to low medium and cover the wok or kadai and leave it to cook for 8 to 10 minutes till the fish is done, and check once in between the cover. Add in fresh coriander leaves, a good mix, but do it gently. Switch off the flame. Cover Chettinad Fish Curry to the serving dish. So serve your Chettinad Fish Curry with white steamed rice. If you like the recipe, then please do like our video and also please share it, and also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.